I like doing birthday photo shoots, but this year it's not in the budget. So we're gonna DIY that thing. And plus, since this is not a significant birthday like it was when I took pictures here, it's okay. Got some online ideas from Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok, things like that of what I want to do, and it's gonna be the whole little spotlight thing. I'm gonna get ready and prepare to do a little photo shoot in my living room. So I wanted to do some makeup just in case I took pictures facing forward. Also, to let you know, I do not know how to do makeup. Okay, so this is it. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put this on, but after I get dressed, and I'll show you what I'm gonna wear. It just so happened that I was trying out a vacation hairstyle, so I'm just gonna take apart these flat twists. It didn't come out the way that I like, but we gonna work with what we got. I'm not feeling the hair, but we're gonna make the best of it. And I'm especially not feeling the back, well, or the front, but you're not gonna see the back in the pictures, so. Okay, so this is what I decided to go with, and then I think maybe if I button one, you know. So here are the props I'm gonna use. This little cake that I got, a little cheesecake. I'm gonna put the candles on it for a smoke effect. And of course, a birthday shoot is not complete without Prosecco and my glass. So these are the props that I'm gonna use for this photo shoot. I went to the store earlier. I was supposed to get a flashlight, but I forgot. So this is what we have here, and we're gonna see how this works out. Oh no, why is it not working? Oh. Looks good. Awesome. Okay, so if I stand to the side, wait, how's this gonna work? Okay, so then we started the process, and let me tell you, this was a struggle bus because my cameraman didn't know exactly what I wanted. I didn't know exactly what I wanted.
Happy birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. It's your birthday.
That's a wrap. I feel like this DIY birthday shoot came out so good. If you recreate a birthday photo shoot, please tag me in your photo shoot. Follow me at Tara Ransom on Instagram, hashtag DIY birthday shoot. If you like this video, please click subscribe and hit that like button for me, and follow for more.